Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back. Today I'm sharing my tips on how I transform our small bathroom into more functional and stylish space. It's important to remember that you can make a big impact with a few simple changes like updating fixtures, repainting, adding some greenery, and the best part of this update cost me less than £200. And if you're looking to spruce up your small bathroom on a budget, stay with me and let's get started. Recently, we bought the house, and this bathroom definitely needs a makeover. Here's what our great bathroom is looking right now. And although it is a very small space, a lot of the things I'm going to be doing are super easy little fixes, and you don't need to be a master home renovator to do this. And my goal is to make this bathroom very inviting and cozy, and I want to go for more like farmhouse feel, definitely to add in some character to the space. So first I'm going to remove everything from the walls and fill the holes with cement. When the cement was dry, I'm taking easy filler powder, mixing with water and going over the cement. And leave to dry for a couple of hours, and I came back with a sander and sanded down until it got the flat and smooth surface. I really want the walls to look beautiful, neutral and light, so I'm painting in calico. It will give me the nice natural limestone color, which I love it. Finally, the walls are painted, and next I'm taking you with me outside where my husband will help me to cut the shelves from scaffold board. So please excuse the mess. At the moment, this is a building site. I'm going to give a good sand and protect with a clear varnish. Okay guys, now that we have everything officially installed, let me walk you through, and I'm so happy how it already looks, and I can't wait to get my hands on styling. Now let's tackle storage. Installing open shelves and adding some baskets can help declutter the room while keeping everything within reach. And if you have a bigger bathroom, you could even consider adding a vanity for extra storage space. And those bigger baskets are from IKEA and containers from Amazon. To this corner, let's add some faux greenery. I love how it drapes down, and this one is from IKEA too. Let's fill this empty window with vase and twisted hazelnut branches. And by the way, original vase wasn't looking like this. I'm not going into the details on how I upcycle. I will leave the link in the description box below. And if you do want those extra details, please do check them. Wall mirror or cabinet with a mirror can be a game changer. It's not only making your bathroom feel bigger, but also adds a bit of style. Plus, you can find some fantastic options at IKEA. For example, this one came with two shelves, making it perfect for storing toiletries. Next, let's make a statement with towels. A set of gorgeous towels can completely transform your bathroom. My favorite is Egyptian cotton from John Lewis. They come in different sizes and colors to match any style or mood you're going for. Adding greenery can really bring your bathroom to life and help you relax after a long day. Don't be afraid to mix real with faux. There is nothing wrong. I kind of lucky with my bathroom, which provides me with a lot of natural light. Therefore, I can bring more real plants, which makes the room fresher and more inviting. Let's talk about the bath rugs. They are not just for practical reason, they can really elevate the look of your bathroom. I'm smitten with how it transforms my space. It is a small addition, but it is truly make a big impact. I've got this beautiful painting from my father-in-law, and he's an amazing artist and his work speaks for himself. It looks stunning in any space, but I personally love how it elevates the room. Just look at how it pairs with color palettes. It really does complement the space, and I will leave a link below to his Facebook profile. Now is the time for the fun before and after, and that is it for this makeover. Obviously this was our first project of the entire house, so many more videos like this to come. Let me know if you would like to see this type of content, and once again thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.